Hello, extraordinary. Learning something from every situation is what makes you outstanding. And I should say, the way you learn is the way you earn, and the way you earn is the way you live. So, learning is living. Let's get into it. Take a look at amazing concept, unity consciousness, or unity of consciousness means thinking and ultimately acting in ways that unite us to ourselves, others, nature, or to the God of our understanding, the higher intelligence. If we could realize how much interconnected we are and we can be, and in fact it's proven at a micro level. See, humans are formed by cells and cells by atoms and atoms formed by proton neutrons, and that's energy. So not just human beings but everything in this universe is the same energy, means we are same and can be united. One of the first signs are cleared by COVID-19 pandemic that why the world need to be interdependent, united. Now more than ever in the history, we are putting differences aside. We are fully conscious of this interdependence. We are supporting nations, individuals we all are in this together, fighting against one thing. This worldwide pandemic made everything interconnected. Everything is globalized. This shows there shouldn't be borders or boundaries. Not each nation, but human's planet, the Earth. And what if it happens? What would it be like when the United Nations of the Earth is called? The world would be paradise. No defend, protect, attack. So many soldiers, efforts, trillions of dollars, resources, too many weapons just to destroy who can't relate to our beliefs. It would be peace. There would be more time, energy, resources to explore, create and heal. There would be global solutions to global problems. There would be no poverty. Hope, trust for life generally increases. We will experience more happiness, acceptance, compassion, a new approach for innovation and reconciliation. You know, we all created problems and we are capable of solving all these. Look at this, as 1/3 of the world is under lockdown. So air pollution significantly dropped down. This proves we can change the climates whenever we want and capable of world peace. We need to be united. Second, be ready for the next discoveries. We believe we are powerful species. That could be true, it's all due to our intelligence. But humanity needs to be prepared. See how fragile we are. Even a small virus like this one can destroy everything. We need to be prepared to face new challenges. Flexibility. You should not be plan-driven, but purpose-driven. Plan can be changed to achieve the same. TRACY says in his book, The Science of Motivation, that flexibility to adapt any situation faster can be the important factor to be successful. You know, things can change. The plans made for years can be disturbed due to that single thing. And you know that every negativity also has positivity. Only if you can realize, due to this pandemic, we got tons of time to reflect on our life, spotted more on health, not just washing hands but improved relationship with food and our immunity. Let me know in the comments what did you learn and understand about the world. Join Extraordinary to be extraordinary. Do subscribe and like. And thanks for being here till now. You can see us on Twitter and Instagram. Thank you.